In this tutorial, we'll cover the Copy tool. First, select the objects that you want to copy. I prefer to use the shortcut CO for copy, or I could click on the ribbon over here. I left the constrain function on from the previous command, so I'm going to unclick constrain. Now watch what happens with the copy command. It'll copy only once, then exit the command. If you want to copy multiple times, you will need to have multiple selected. I'm going to select my object first, now I'm going to click on copy, and now I'm going to select multiple. Now I can click 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to get rid of these and just show you something that's kind of good. Clicked on walls and I'm hitting delete, so I'm just going to zoom in again and WA for wall, and let's say I've got a building over in our box. I can select the whole thing, CO for copy. That's my start point, and then I can type in the distance, let's say 30 meters, hit M for meters. That's going to move it to that point again, and then when I do it again, 30 meters, it's going to keep giving me the distance from the last point I placed the object. Some programs only give you the distance from the first point, which means you need a calculator if you want to copy multiple objects precisely. That's how you use the copy command. Just select everything, CO for copy. To constrain movement, click the constrain button, then copy the wall and hit escape. Escape to end the command. Remember to hit escape twice at the end of each command to make sure you have ended the function.